Hello everyone, I welcome you all to the Infinity Vision platform. Right now I'll be doing one such question that came in on JEE Main examination. This question came on 8th January 2020 shift 1. So let us see this question first. What does it say? A coordinate of the center of mass of the uniform flag shaped lamina. Thin flat of mass 4 kg R. तो आपको एक लैमिनर बॉडी गिवन है, दैट मीन्स थिन शीट बॉडी गिवन है, ठीक है, whose entire mass is 4 kg. You need to find out the coordinate of center of mass, है ना, because this is origin, this is your origin. Okay, if I'll divide this into two equal parts, because this would be, if I'll divide it into half, है ना, so this would have 2 kg mass, this would have 2 kg mass. Why is it so? Because its length is 1 minus 0 and its breadth is, or height is 2 minus 0, which is 2. So this is 2 and this is 1, है ना, and this is 2 meter and this is 1 meter. Okay, again here its length is 2 meter and its height is 2 minus 3, which is 1 meter. So don't you think these are identical sheets? If I'll divide it from here, these become the identical sheets, and its center of mass of this sheet lies at its diagonal bisector. So the center of mass of this whole body, so I can say that the whole body have a center of mass over here, whose coordinate would be, what would be its coordinate? So it would be 0.5 comma, क्योंकि ये पूरा 2 है तो this would be 1, so 0.5 comma 1. So the entire 2 kg mass can be considered at this point. Similarly for this point, its coordinate is, what would be its coordinate? 3 minus, okay, 2 minus, okay, 2, so it would be 1 comma, it would be 2 plus 0.5, which is 2.5. Okay, so that means entire 2 kg mass would be here only. Now the entire setup can be considered to be a 2 block system, whose 2 kg mass is put over here, whose 2 kg mass is put over here, है. So now you can easily find out the center of mass of these two bodies with respect to origin. So what would be it? So find out the x coordinate of the center of mass. So x coordinate would be equivalent to mass 2 kg, which is m1 x1. x1 कोऑर्डिनेट इसका कितना है? 0.5, है ना. तो हम कैसे लेके आते हैं? m1 x1 प्लस m2 x2 प्लस एंड सो ऑन डिवाइडेड बाय m1 प्लस m2 प्लस सो ऑन. y कोऑर्डिनेट कैसे निकालते हो आप? m1 y1 प्लस m2 y2 प्लस सो ऑन डिवाइडेड बाय m1 प्लस m2 प्लस सो ऑन. तो इस टाइप से निकालेंगे, इसी में वैल्यू हम पुट करेंगे, है ना. सो दिस इज क्वाइट इजी. अब आसानी से हम निकाल लेंगे इस इक्वेशन को फॉर्म करके, बिकॉज नाउ इट इज़ अ 2 ब्लॉक सिस्टम ओनली. सिर्फ 2 पॉइंट ऑब्जेक्ट सिस्टम मान सकते हो इसको. इसका मास 2 kg कहाँ पे लाइक कर रहा है? 0.4 कोऑर्डिनेट, प्लस इसका मास भी 2 kg कितने इस पे लाइक कर रहा है? 1. इसका x कोऑर्डिनेट 1 है. सो इन टोटल मास कितना है इसका? 4. तो व्हाट विल बी गेटिंग? So this would be getting as 1 plus 2 divided by 4, which is 3 by 4, which is 0.75 meters. So the x coordinate of the center of mass would be 0.75. So these two options may be correct, है ना. So अब y coordinate देख लेते हैं हम. y coordinate would be 2 kg multiplied by its y coordinate, which is 1, plus 2 kg multiplied by y coordinate of this object, which is at ठीक है, so it is nothing but 2.5 divided by entire mass 4. So what will be getting? 2 plus 5 plus divided by 4, which is 7 by 4. So you will be getting as 1.75 meter, है ना. So this option C would be your correct option, because the x and y coordinate of these two that we are getting as 0.75 and 1.75. I hope this question is clear to everyone. Okay, so you need to find out the center of mass of the entire lamina. First divide it into 2 sections, 2 equal sections, so that you can easily divide the masses into 2 halves. Okay, I hope this question is clear to everyone. Thank you.